Hi, sweet friends. Before we get to decorating my hutch today, I just wanted to touch bases on something that's very important to me for this holiday season. This video is going to be a fundraiser. Any money that I make on this video is going to go to one or a couple of things that's going on in our community. One is to shop with a cop, and this program is just something wonderful. I'll show you a few pictures and what it's about. And then also, giving and donating is generally a big part of our holiday by helping others that are in need, whether it's with food or with some Christmas gifts or whatever the needs may be and whatever the program may be. This is something that's important to Larry and I, and we want to share this with you. So be sure and watch the ads that pop up on this particular video, because that's how we earn the money on the videos. And then I will cover over with you when we're ready to do that on doing the donation and showing what we raised. So enjoy this decorating video, but keep in mind that this money and the funds are going towards a donation of the Shop with the Cop. This is our way of giving to our community and helping out others. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and God bless. In my last video, I had one of my watchers ask me where my traditional colors were. Well, you know, I wasn't going to go through Christmas without showing some of the traditional colors, and I'm putting it here on my hutch as my pop of red and green. You'll also see a pop of color that's going to be added to the bedrooms, but most of it is woodland and neutral throughout my videos in my Christmas decorating this year, but here is my pop of color. One of the first things I wanted to add is just a Merry Christmas sign that I have added up above the hutch. But for this theme, it is not going to be woodland. It's going to be all of my little gingerbread items that I have. And I'm going to create a gingerbread hutch. I have this little tree that I have sitting on a stool. It normally sits in my kitchen, but I wanted to set this up by the hutch because this red and white themed tree will go along with the gingerbread people and the gingerbread houses and everything that I'm going to decorate on this hutch. So I'm going to go ahead and get this little tree all decorated up, and then we're going to move over to the hutch. I have so many little items that I'm putting on the hutch. I'm going to try to put them on as grouped together. Now these little paper mache houses you can get on Amazon.com. I actually did these last year. There's 3 to a set. They stack one in the other, and I took some puffy white paint and decorated them up, and I'm going to use them on my hutch this year. If you haven't seen that, I will put that link in the description box below. I did find this really cute gingerbread house cookie jar, and I'm going to set it up to the top. I'm not putting my cookies in it, but I love how adorable that it is. It is ceramic, and I'm going to set it up at the top along with some trees, and you'll see how I add those in just a little bit. After I get everything done, I will show you an up close of how everything came out and all of the small items that I've added in between. The next item came from Hobby Lobby, And this sign, Gingerbread Street, was from last year's gingerbread theme. I'm not sure if they have it this year, but I just adore it. It is a metal sign, and I took a command hook and added it on the back of the hutch shelf. The next little vignette is a wooden cake plate that I had used on the center of my table back in the fall, but I wanted this front and center. These two adorable gingerbread people are just so adorable sitting on this cake plate in the center of my hutch. I think they look grand here. I was originally going to put them on the top, but I just thought that they would get lost up there, and I'm going to put them front and center here. The next two items that I added over there is a gingerbread girl and boy up on the top shelf next to the house. I'm going to add two more that are different. I got those last year at Hobby Lobby also, and those are going next to the small house on the second shelf. The candy cane sign, it says candy canes, came from Trendy Tree. I originally was going to make a wreath, but I thought I would bring that out and add it to my hutch this year. The next item is a mug that I got from Walmart. Yes, I did go into Walmart with my sister while she was here and found a few things. So this is new to add to my gingerbread collection. And I just think it's adorable, and it's got a lid to it, and it's so cute. I think it was around $9 or $10. I can't remember the price. I have this tea towel, striped tea towel, Gingerbread Bakery, and I put that under the two gingerbread people there on the cake plate. And I think that it's just turning out adorable. That pillow that I originally was going to use, I put it on the bottom shelf. And I've got a few more things that I want to add. There's the trees at the top. They're decorated with gingerbread people and that little Merry Christmas wooden bucket I found at Hobby Lobby. I just love how it looks. The tree on the right has a couple of little gingerbread miniature mugs from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if those were for Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Let me know in the comment if you know where exactly I got those. But this is how it's all turned out. I've added a few more things in there, and I'll give you an up close of everything. There was a couple of new items that I got, some of the little wooden spoons that have the peppermint striped candy and some gingerbread people. Those were new this year, so I got both sets. And here's how it all turned out. Enjoy, and don't forget to watch the ads on this video. It is a fundraiser. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your support. I love each and every one of you, and have a happy holiday. I'll see you in my next video.